that surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be starting off with a hula hoop that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be cutting this into two. In this video, I'll be making a floating shell. I got a leftover board at home and then I cut it down to size, and this is going to be for the back. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach the cutout hoop pieces to the board. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. To make this stronger, I was going to use paint stirrers. The idea was to cut them down to size and then attach them to the hoops. But I found a better option, for me anyway, because this is a leftover piece that I had laying around at home, and this is plastic, and it's also very, very strong. So I'm going to have just 4 points where I'm going to be adding this to what I already have, instead of having the other paint stirrers where I'm going to have to put a lot of drilling and a lot of screws to what I've just made. I'm also going to be adding screws to the top. I'm going to be tracing out the shape on a hard plastic board that I got from Michael's craft store, and this is going to be for the top, and you can also use wood for this. To make it even thicker, I'm going to cut 2 pieces of this, glue them together, and then cover it up with mirror reflective paper. I spray painted what I had silver just to see if I can use it the way it is. But it kind of looks plain, so I'm going to be covering it up with glitter foam sheet that I got from Walmart. I'll be adding this beautiful trim, and I'm going to spray paint it silver and attach it to what I've just made. I use hot glue at first just to keep them in place. And then now I'm going to go around with tack nails. And I'm going to make sure that the tack nails go through the plastic that's at the back. I'm going to do this at the top and at the bottom. I'm going to spruce up the design with decorative onlays. I'm going to use glue just to keep them in place before I then use screws. I'll be covering some of the openings with gems. And these gems are of different sizes, and I got them from a pack that they sell at Hobby Lobby. I'll be attaching hooks at the back for hanging. For the top, we already made a board for it, and this is it. I'm just going to simply place this on top of what I've already made. The rough edges are going to be covered with diamond wrap, just to keep it neat. Here's what the shelf looks like. And it's so pretty in silver. It can hold a lot of weight because I fortified it with a hard plastic. Now here's what it looks like in gold. I put this beside the throne chair that I just made, and this throne chair was made out of plastic, and I'll leave a link for this down in the description box below. This floating wall shelf is a decent size, and I love the way it looks, and you can use it in either gold or silver. This was super fun and super easy to make, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to like it and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.